Welcome to Narrative English. This conversation is made just for you, to help you speak real, confident English through simple, natural dialogues.
Do you remember the first time we met?
How could I forget? You spilled coffee on my shirt.
And you pretended to be angry.
Those days were so simple. Just us, no problems.
But ever since your parents got involved, everything changed.
I don't care what they say. I choose you.
Why did they hate me so much? Did I ever do something wrong?
It's like we've been hit by someone's bad luck. No, never. They just have different expectations.
Expectations? Or rules that suffocate love?
Maybe both. But I never stopped loving you. Did you?
Not for a second. Even when you disappeared.
I didn't disappear. They didn't let me see you. They even took my phone.
Then why didn't you fight harder for us?
I wanted to, but every time I spoke your name, they threatened to send me abroad.
Would you have gone if they forced you?
I would have run away instead with you.
Even with my little brother?
Of course. He's part of you.
But your parents won't accept him. Will they?
No, they said marry her, but leave the boy.
And what did you say?
I said then I won't marry at all.
Did they shout?
Worse. They cried. They begged. They told me I was breaking the family.
Am I really worth breaking a family?
You're worth building a new one.
With just the three of us?
That's all I need. You, me, and your little brother.
What if they never speak to you again?
Then I'll write them letters. From our new home.
You still believe we can have that?
Don't you?
I want to. But I'm scared.
Scared of what?
That we'll end up alone. That my brother will grow up without love.
He'll have more love than most.
Will you treat him like your own?
I already do it.
What about money? A home?
I've been saving. I've got a job now.
What job?
Graphic design. From home. We can move to another city.
And my brother's school?
I already checked schools near where I plan to move.
You thought of everything?
Everything but one.
What's that?
If you still love me the same,
More than before.
will you marry me?
Even if your parents never bless it?
Yes.
Even if we struggle?
We'll struggle together.
Even if I come with baggage?
He's not baggage. He's my little brother too.
Then yes. I'll marry you.
You mean it?
I do.
Want to improve your English faster? Watch this video again and repeat the words out loud with me. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Save this video, replay it, and keep learning. Thanks for watching. See you next time.